A very good afternoon. My name is Bijaya Gurung, and today I'm going to be doing a presentation on my CPD portfolio. A brief overview. I'm going to be going through my introduction, overview of professional experience, CPD record sheet, articulation of my experiences, summative mapping and reflections against EA competencies, conclusions, and then Q&A. Resume. My name is BJ Gurung and I'm currently living in 21 Fontaine Street, West Footscray, Melbourne. I am a receptive and professional individual determined to learn and perform to the best of my ability. I'm also a team player who has excelled in leadership positions and enjoys interaction. I'm armed with knowledge in the Australian construction industry and software used in road and water industries such as Ethernet and Sidra, driven by the desire to make an impact and provide high quality service. I finished my advanced levels in Nepal. I obtained my Bachelor's of Technology in Civil Engineering from India, and I'm currently doing my Masters of Engineering in Central Queensland University, Melbourne branch. Professional experience. I'm currently interning with Winslow Contractors as an engineering cadet. Special skills. Computer aided designs. I'm knowledgeable in Sidra, Ethernet, GeoStudio, AutoCAD, and Bluebeam. For hardware and computer software, I'm knowledgeable in Microsoft Office and Control. As per as for non-technical skills, I have great interpersonal skills, adaptability, and time management. For extracurricular activities, I love hiking and swimming during my free time. I am a professional member of the Nepal Engineering Council, and my referees are Dr. Sarkar Noor Huda and Cornelius Von Open. Overview of the professional development. I finished 122 hours through the curriculum at Central Queensland University, and through my internship work experience at Winslow Contractors, I'm expected to finish 384 hours. I've also attended a guest lecture at the university from Concrete Masonry Association Australia, and I also went for a site visit from the university organized by the university to a Boral asphalt site. My total accumulated hours is 501.5 hours. CPD Data Record Sheet. I successfully completed the unit Australian Engineering Practice where I learned about professional conduct as an engineer in Australia and the Australian practices. I also completed a project using space gas. I completed a unit geotechnical engineering design where I learned about soil geotechnical properties and explored and researched on unconventional method of soil stabilization. I also learned the software GeoStudio and applied it in my assignments to analyze the soil behavior over the construction period and also over the lifespan of the structure. I successfully completed the unit transportation engineering where I learned valuable theoretical and practical knowledge on on the design and traffic capacity analysis of highway and its components such as roundabouts and pavement design using Sidra and Circuli respectively. I enrolled and successfully completed unit Advanced Water Engineering where I designed water and sewage network using Ethernet and the theoretical knowledge, design of wastewater storage and stormwater drainage network using XPSWMM through the study of hydraulic and hydrological methods. I successfully completed the unit engineering research project planning where I plan for a major project and this includes reviewing literatures, discerning the information to find the lacking research and plan resources and methodologies while taking the risk into account for the implementation phase. I successfully completed the unit Sustainability Studio where we explored the sustainability side of engineering, the environmental impacts and methods to reduce carbon footprint, and I completed a portfolio with a group project on near zero energy. I am enrolled and expected to complete the unit internship work experience where I've been interning at Winslow Contractors where I've been working with site engineers and quality engineers where I've been tasked with both the responsibilities of the site and quality engineers which includes but not limited to site supervision and checking for conformances. I am enrolled and expected to complete the unit engineering research project implementation where after the successful planning phase, I am currently doing the implementation phase where I'm expected to complete the various lab work and obtain satisfactory results. These results will then we use to explain the trends and support my project. I also attended a borough site asphalt site visit where I went to a borough asphalt site where I got the opportunity to witness the production of asphalt recycled and the various testing equipment to test the conformances of the produced materials. Australian engineering practice. In this unit, I developed interpersonal skills expected of a professional engineer in Australia, and I used this skill to successfully complete the unit and the project where I had to design uh, steel bottle frames for a shelter in Geelong using space. Geotechnical engineering design. Through the process of learning and completing an assignment of GeoStudio of, of using GeoStudio, I learned how to analyze the stability and behavior of soil over an extended period of time. And also, I did extensive research for my group project on the use of polymers as a non-traditional binder in soil stabilization. Advanced transportation engineering. In this unit, I learned the software Cedar and Circly for design of roads and also to find their level services. I'd also learned the design of pavements, which now allows me to effectively design and analyze highways and other features of the road, and also design pavements with respect to its economical and sustainability through the use of Circly. Advanced water engineering. In this unit, I designed a wastewater and sewage network using Ethernet, which is highly relevant in Australia to calculate what which was for a town in Queensland. So it's highly relevant in Australian context. We use the CDMG guidelines, and we use the real-time data. Engineer research project planning. I completed the unit under the guidance of a supervisor, and I successfully researched and planned for a planning phase of a major project. This included exploration of literature reviews and methodologies, among other things. Sustainability Studio. In this unit, I explored the sustainability side of civil engineering. We learn about the importance and different methods of sustainable construction, and I completed a portfolio which included a project where the research was done on near zero energy housing. Internship work experience. I'm currently undertaking this unit and I'm interning at Winslow Construction as a cadet engineer. I've been working with a site engineer and a quality engineer under the guidance of a supervisor, and I've been exposed to the professional working experience in Australia. Engineering research project implementation. This is the implementation phase of the planning previously completed. In this unit, currently I'm doing lab work, lab work, lab work to, and with the results obtained from the lab work, I will analyze the result and also analyze the result and come to a satisfactory conclusion on my project. Additional evidence. I went for a borough asphalt site visit. Um, and in this site visit we learn about the production of asphalt. In this particular case, this was recycled asphalt, and they also showed us the different equipment used to test out the produced materials. There was a guest lecture. There was a guest lecture organized by the uni by Concrete Masonry Association Australia, where the guest lecture was on the thermal efficiency of masonry structures. This is a summative mapping of against the EA competencies. The evidences are attached. Knowledge and skill base, engineering application ability, professional and personal attributes. Professional and personal attributes. Conclusion. I have successfully completed 480 hours of CPD, and With that, I've acquired technical and practical knowledge in the field of civil engineering, including multivarious software used in engineering practices in Australia. I've also developed interpersonal skills such as communication and management skills. Skills and knowledge gained are highly relevant in Australian context. This has allowed me to be industry ready. Thank you.